I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there for the snowflies, things are looking good. You could meet me if I send you down the fair. But if you wait until it's winter, not too much for you to do, 'cause that wind sure can blow way out there. For strong winds that blow lonely